Guys, good evening. So in today's video we will discuss if lab grown diamonds that are there, if it is going to disrupt this entire diamond category in the jewelry space or not. Okay, and this is the most common query I get, and I believe there is a fear based on this, कि like lab grown diamond के वजह से jewelry stocks में कुछ problem आएगा कि नहीं. I've covered a part of it already. If you watched my video, I would say episode 3 probably of my jewelry sector analysis, जहाँ पे मैंने कल्याण सेनको और गदगिल का एनालिसिस किया था. I've already covered a part of it over here, but today we will do so, and I will wrap it up quickly, and I'll try to wrap it up in less than 10 minutes. Okay, so the first thing over here, when you talk about whether lab grown diamond will replace the original diamond or not, you have to consider few things, because we are already seeing that trend happening in the US, right? But will that trend also be followed in India? Okay, and you have to understand one thing, कि like US में अगर आप देखते हो, whenever you buy a jewelry, it is not bought for an investment purposes. It is more like एक luxury चीज़ है that you like to wear and you like to enjoy. Okay, nobody buys it for an investment perspective. That is why in the US अगर आप देखते हो, जो gold है, right, especially any gold, it is not sold on the basis of grams. अगर आप अभी ज्वेलरी शॉप में जाते हो, it is आपका जो कितना ग्राम्स है उसके ऊपर उसका प्राइस डिपेंडेंट होता है. बट इन द US it is based on design. Okay, let's say for example एक डिज़ाइन के ऊपर उसका प्राइस बेस्ड होता है, नॉट रियली विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्राम्स और एनीथिंग, स्पेशली विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू गोल्ड. ठीक है, ये एक चीज़ है, हमें याद में रखना होगा. ठीक है, बट इन इंडिया इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली ऑपोजिट. दिस इज वन थिंग. Okay, the other thing, the second thing over here, you will see, like the first, let us just answer the question as it is. Has lab grown diamond disrupted the diamond category, the natural diamond category? Simple plain में अगर आप बोल दो, it is yes. But if I tell you yes right now, it is a very half cooked answer. Okay, it has affected, but which category has it affected? It has affected only the bottommost category of the diamond, which is your 1 carat का आपका जो diamond है, 1 carat and less 2 carat, in that range, that category of diamond it has affected. Okay, and यहाँ पर भी even in this 1 carat 2 carat का diamond, it has affected that solitaire, जो single piece diamond आते हैं आपका ring में, or probably on a earring, right, that solitaire category, it has affected only that in India. Now why is that the case? Because let's say if an average person has to go and buy this solitaire का diamond, even if it is 1 carat, okay, 1 carat उसका diamond का price होगा, फिर let's say if you're buying a ring, you're paying for that diamond का ring, the diamond वो stone, and then after that उसका एक bracelet होगा, which the ring का जो एक वो circle का चीज़ gold में, all of this wastage charges, making charges, ये सब मिला के 1 carat ring का diamond ring का price बनेगा somewhere between 1.5 to 2.5 lakh, in that range. ठीक है, and imagine probably for that same price how much amount of gold you will be getting, plain gold jewelry. ठीक है, so that initial starting price only for diamond is so high that it really excludes a lot of people from buying that category, buying that jewelry. So now what happens, these people, it is for these people who can't afford this 1 carat or 2 carat, the entire lab grown diamond becomes a very lucrative lucrative investment, because आप earlier you were getting this 1 carat and 2 carat for probably like 2.5 lakhs or 3 lakhs or 1.5 lakhs, and now we're able to get that same kind of design, same kind of jewelry for somewhere between 35 to like 60,000, right? You see the price differentiation over here, right? So that is why it has been disrupting this 1 carat space and below. And जो भी company is catering to this 1 carat 2 carat को solitaire part of the diamond ना, that is the company that is getting affected the most. So which are the companies? Like for example Senco, आपने देखा ना Senco को margins, EBITDA margins 11% से 3% पे आ गया, somewhere in that range. Okay, I could be off with my numbers, but you get the point, right? Why did it happen? Because उनका diamond का portion, especially coming from caratier, especially even not just from carat but from that solitaire part, it was more. It didn't affect Titan that much, because Titan का वही था 23% था studded portfolio, अभी 24% है. ठीक है, on the other hand कल्याण का studded portfolio increased, I believe right now it is at 28%. ठीक है, so do you understand over here, only those companies that had that solitaire part in the diamond, they got affected. Even in that solitaire part जो भी 1 carat और 2 कैरेट बेच रहा था. बट इवन इफ यू लुक एट दी, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल गोल्डियम का अगर आप सुनते हो कौन दे कीप टेलिंग कि लाइक हमारा जो विजन है to make sure open as many stores as we can and disrupt this 1 carat and 2 carat in the next 5 to 10 years. वो भी they are also not concentrating on anything else. Why is that the case? आप ही समझो ना. Let's say for example a middle class family, they want to buy a car. एक कार का प्राइस है 8 लाख. They can't afford it probably, and that is where Nano came, right? So Nano was that car. If you can't afford that Baleno, that Swift Desire, you come and buy Nano. Okay, so you get that safety with that car and everything. But do you really think you can sell something like a Nano to someone who's buying a BMW, Mercedes Benz? Do you really think they would care to buy a Nano? It is the same logic over here also. Okay, जो बंदा 5 carat 10 carat which will cost you 25 lakhs 30 lakhs, he already has that money to spend. Do you really think you can appeal to him and telling that अरे आप 25 lakhs क्यों spend कर रहे हो, मैं तो आपको वही 3 लाख में दे दूंगा? Do you really think he's playing that game? That person is playing that game over here trying to save money? No, right? So that is why it is not possible for lab grown diamond to disrupt that space, because in India, like I told you, यहाँ पे एक price category हम खेलते हैं, and that is why this lab grown diamond is disrupting this 1 carat and 2 carat का space. ये पहला point हुआ, ठीक है. The second point when it comes to this entire lab grown का diamond अगर आप बात करते हो, again the second thing is, if you look at the entire jewelry space, you see that कि like in most of the jewelry space आपका जो majority of the purchase that comes is from gold, not from diamond, not from studded, but plain gold jewelry. And plain gold jewelry can never compete in India with in terms of diamond. Why is that the case? Okay, the reason again over here is like for example, if you are a woman, probably you will understand this. If you are a man and if you have not gone shopping with gold, थोड़ा सा आपको समझने में थोड़ा सा difficult होगा, but I will try to explain it in the most easiest way. कि like see, whenever you are buying gold, there is this hallmarking, ठीक है, आपका hallmarking है 918 hallmarking है, ISO का इतना सारा hallmarking है, okay, and which the diamond doesn't have. Natural diamond का वो एक standard एक hallmarking जो है, that is not that like we have for gold. We have BIS hallmarking, but there is no standardization like how we have for gold. Okay, the only standardization यहाँ पे diamond का है कि like you can't tell diamond को only the natural diamond can be called as diamond. Lab grown diamond को you can be calling as synthetic diamond. This is there, and आपको वो the jeweler has to tell you कि like कौन सा carat है, कितना आपका कितना A grade, B grade, C grade वो shine है, all of that they have to mention. But there is no standardization like gold. The other thing over here, if I buy gold, let's say if I'm buying gold from Titan Jewelry, okay, I can go sell it tomorrow even in Kalyan Jewelers also because of this standardization. और एक चीज़ है, even if you don't have this standardization of 918 hallmarking, क्या होता है, whenever you go to sell your gold and you have to collect cash or you have to exchange, हर एक स्टोर में एक रिफाइनरी जैसा होता है, एक स्मॉल like a 30-40 का एक छोटा सा एक आपका माइक्रोवेव ओवन होता है ना. Similarly like that you have that one instrument where they melt the gold, they convert that gold into ingots, and from there they will get to know कि like इसका प्योरिटी है कि या नहीं. So as a result क्या होता है ना, वो गोल्ड में पीपल को there is this trust level which is not there with diamond. क्योंकि क्या होता है, डायमंड में एक और प्रॉब्लम है. इफ आई एम बाइंग फ्रॉम टाइटन, आई हैव टू गो एंड सेल दैट डायमंड बैक टू टाइटन itself. No other jeweler will take that diamond. If I'm buying it from Kalyan, I have to sell it in Kalyan. If I'm buying it from Malabar Gold and Diamond, I'll have to go to Malabar Gold and Diamond only and resell it. Okay, इसके वजह से क्या होते हैं, लोगों को वो ट्रस्ट जो है ना डायमंड में उतना कुछ खास नहीं है. सो यू सी ओवर हियर देयर इज नो at the end of the day कि like ये जो डायमंड है, इट इज़ नॉट, ये जो डायमंड इट कांट ईट दैट गोल्ड कैटेगरी का शेयर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, बिकॉज इंडियंस का यही है कि लाइक सिंस देयर इज नो स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन, सिंस आई कांट रीसेल माई डायमंड एनी वेयर एंड एवरीवेयर ना, एज अ रिजल्ट द गोल्ड ज्वेलरी इज प्रिफर्ड मोर ओवर हियर. ठीक है. एंड द अदर थिंग, द थर्ड कैटेगरी, ठीक है, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर बाइंग अ नेकलेस एंड ऑल, उसमें तो छोटा छोटा स्टड जाता है ना, यू डोंट केयर एंड यू कांट टेल दैट टाइम कि लाइक अरे इसको छोड़ के यू पुट अ लैब ग्रोन डायमंड ओवर हियर, नोबडी विल अग्री फॉर दैट. सो as a result वहाँ पर भी वो in that portion also they can't take care the market share. The only where the natural or the lab grown diamond can take that natural diamond का market share is in this lower category of that 1 carat and 2 carat, and even over there also solitaire में ही only in that category. So this entire panic is like the most, आप कोई भी कॉन कॉल पढ़ लो, whether you take Titan, whether you take Malabar, not Malabar मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, वो तो listed भी नहीं है, PN Gadgil, Senco, all of these, you see the very common narrative. Even somebody like Goldium which is selling lab grown diamond, you see the common narrative is only one thing, like it is only disrupting that 1 carat to 2 carat at least फॉर अ फोर्सिएबल फ्यूचर, ओके। एंड जिसका भी ये 1 कैरेट 2 कैरेट सॉलिटेयर में उनको ही बहुत सारा घाटा पड़ा है एंड नॉट द अदर पीपल. सो दिस एंटायर थिंग कि लाइक लैब ग्रोन इज गोइंग टू डिसरप्ट द ज्वेलरी स्पेस, लैब ग्रोन इज गोइंग टू ईट गोल्ड का गोल्ड का शेयर, लैब ग्रोन इज गोइंग टू ईट दिस नेचुरल डायमंड का मार्केट शेयर एंड एवरीथिंग. That is more or less, I would say, a panic. Yes, lab grown diamond is causing havoc in the diamond category, but only in that one carat and 2 carat का diamond category. इसलिए आप देख सकते हो ना, वो 35% I believe diamond का prices, especially in that 1 carat and under, it is fallen by 30 to 35% also, ठीक है. So this is the entire case कि like if somebody asks you like has lab grown diamond is it disrupting the natural diamond space? It is both. The answer is neither yes nor no. It is both. Yes, it is, but up to what extent, where, how, when, you'll have to give. Because if you just tell yes, you're again lying. Again, if you just tell no, you're also lying, right? So it is a very, it is a mixture of both, I would say. Okay? So that's that for today's video.